Rachel, it's you and me and this wonderful crowd of people. How does it feel to be here today?
Honestly, it feels incredible, and you guys are amazing. All of you are incredible. Thank you.
You've done extremely well being in the competition. It's just shattering that you're not still in the damn competition. And just do me a favour. Don't say to me that John and Edward are really nice. Because everyone keeps saying that.
No, John and Edward are lovely. No, they are great.
I know, but... Yes, I know. Listen, but they're not talented enough to be singing.
Either way, they're going to go really far, but I want Joseph McElderry to win. So Joseph to win, Joe to win.
Joe for you. Where is it for you now? Now you're at the X Factor house. There's so many exciting things to get involved in, isn't there?
Yeah, totally. So many. And it's not the downfall that I'm not in the competition anymore, because then I wouldn't have a great opportunity to come and perform here.
It's a great platform, I know. No one had heard of you this time last year. Now it's also exciting because this week the X Factor finalist single is out.
Yes, it is. Real singing.
Yes, you are not alone. What do we think of the single? Already, midweek sales are showing it to be #1, which is fantastic. All money raised going directly to Great Ormond Street Children's Hospital. Now, Rachel, in a sec, is happy to spend some time and sign as many autographs as she can. But little thing for you, if you get yourself a copy of the single, you can also get Rachel to sign it as well, because she is also featured on the single, aren't you?
Yes, I am. I have a little chorus or two in this.
And it was great to see you back on the show on Sunday night as well.
It was great being back and seeing everyone. I loved it.
Oh, the best. Right then, we're ready to do the big countdown to the fireworks. Before we do, let's bring on our Lucie Evans. Also, Birchwood Got Talent winner Rachel Holden. And let's not forget everybody's favourite, Fifi. Come forward, Fifi. Right then. Are you ready to count down with us? Let's step forward, shall we, girls?